Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this super fun and vibrant pink look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Hi guys, I already did my brows off camera. If you want a video of me doing my brows and just showing you in depth exactly what I do and what I use, let me know. But for right now, they just take too long to be doing that on every single video. But if you do want to see it, let me know. Instead of starting out with foundation today, I'm going to first start with the eyeshadow, just because I am going to be using some pretty dramatic colors and I don't want to have to worry about any fallout down here on my face. That way we can just clean it up and then do our foundation afterwards. And for the eyeshadow, I'm first going to be applying this Lucious Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer. I'm going to be using this today because, again, we are using such dramatic colors, and this will hopefully help them look a little bit more vibrant. And then I'm just going to set that primer using a translucent powder. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a really dramatic pink look today, and I'm kind of going to be going back and forth between a few shades. So if you can see here, sort of these three pink shades, this is kind of what I'm going to be doing today. So this first pink that I'm going to be using is this Bottoms Up from the Laura Lee Los Angeles palette. This is the Party Animal palette. And I'm just going to be applying this all along the crease in sort of a circular shape because we're doing a halo eye. I don't know why I'm saying we. I'm doing a halo eye. I really like this brush, by the way. I don't think I've ever used it. I don't know, I might have. And now I think I'm going to add a little bit of this pink shade. This is Wild Child from the Pure Festival palette. Ooh. Oh shit, I think we can hear it now. Made it more dramatic. Next, I'm going to be adding this darker pink shade. This is Rose, and this is an Ace Beauty palette, and I'm going to be applying that using this Morphe M411. And I'm sort of going to be applying this closer in on the sides here, and not so much blending it out as much as I did the other shades. And then I'm going to go back with this blending brush just to make sure everything's blended out. And I think to make it a little bit more dramatic, I'm going to add in this Poppy shade, which is right next to the one I just used. And I'm going to be applying that using this e.l.f. Crease Brush. eyeshadow in the center of my lid last time I did this look, but this time I think I'm going to try this cream eyeshadow. This is from Ciate. It says that it is a color shifting pigment and it is in the shade Cupid. So we'll see how it works out. And I'm going to apply that using this Luxie small shader brush, sort of a flat brush. Okay, now that I'm done with the eyeshadow on my top lids, I'm going to clean up all of this craziness I got going on and do my foundation. And I'm going to be doing the same routine that I did in the last video, so I think I'm just going to skip that so you don't have to watch it again. And I'll be back when it's time to do my lower lash line. Now that I'm done with my face, I'm going to use this Morphe flat angled brush, and I'm probably going to mix these two Poppy and Rose shades, and I'm going to apply those really tightly along my bottom lash line. Okay, I can't find the brush that I want to use, so I'm going to just use this really tiny e.l.f. brush, and I'm going to apply this bottoms up shade that we used earlier, and I'm going to apply that all along the bottom lash line and blend out that dark line that I just added. Lastly, for eyeshadow, I'm going to apply this eyeshadow right here into my inner corner. This is from Mott Cosmetics, and this is Skeleton Kiss. And I'm going to be applying that using this Morphe pencil brush. Now that I'm done with my eyeshadow, I think I'm going to throw some lashes on, and I think I'm going to use these Battington lashes. That's the name of the brand. They don't have a style name on here. Oh no, they do. Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. Battington. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of this Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced to blend my lashes together, and I'm going to apply some to my bottom lash line too. Lastly, before lips, I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to be using this little baby mini Mary Luminizer from the Balm Cosmetics, and I'm going to be applying that using this tapered highlighting brush. Lastly, for lips, I am going to first be applying lip liner, and I'm going to be using this lip liner right here from Vintage, and it is in the shade Mocha. And I'm going to be just doing a nude lip since we got so much going on the eyes. So I'm going to be using this nude lip gloss from ColourPop, and this is in the shade Curvii. you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. It's sort of like a fun, once in a while sort of look. If you did like it, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and share it with as many people as you can think of. And if you want to see anything else from me, please leave a comment down below. I want to do videos on what you guys want to see, so let me know what you want to see. And I think that's it. So we'll see you next time.